Good morning. My name is Alaa Elshimy. I'm the Senior Vice President and Managing Director of Huawei Enterprise in the Middle East. So GITEX this year is the biggest participation for Huawei ever, so it's a very special event. Of course, GITEX itself is becoming massive and it is growing, and we are growing with GITEX. We have a lot of experience from the previous years, creating a lot of deals and signing a lot of contracts around GITEX, and hence we continue to invest and participate and even grow with GITEX to bring more business to the organization. It is also very good to meet all the partners and customers from across the globe. This year we are bringing Huawei Connect for the first time outside China. So Huawei Connect is our annual event for Huawei. We used to do in China, but because of the COVID situation, we are bringing it outside China for the Middle East. And I think it is a very good opportunity because we are bringing almost 5,000 people from customers and partners from Latin America, from Europe, from Africa, from across the globe to GITEX and to Dubai this year. Yeah, so Huawei innovation for us is a key pillar in our strategy. So we invested in the last decade always $132 billion in R&D. Last year only we invested $22 billion in the R&D. We bring a lot of innovation. So previous years, as you have seen, we have brought 5G as a first to the entire world, almost 2 years before anyone else to the market. This year we are talking about 5.5G. So 5G was bringing 1 gig everywhere to everyone. We're talking about 10 millisecond latency. We're talking about 1 million device per square meter for connectivity. Now with the digital transformation and Industry 4.0, things are getting bigger, right? So we're having billions of devices being connected together, being connected to people, bringing the physical and digital world together. And this increases the demand on the network. So what you have today and we think is enough, which is 5G, in a couple of years, in 2025, this will not be enough. You will need to talk about 10 gig everywhere. You will need to talk about 1 millisecond. You will need to talk about millions of devices connected per square meter. So we are working on the 5.5G. We are discussing this in GITEX with our customers and partners. Of course, again, talking about AI, this is a very big investment of Huawei. We're the first to bring the full stack for all scenario AI solutions. So today, every single product technology solution you get from Huawei is intelligent. It has AI chipset integrated into it. We have number of applications for AI also on our cloud. So we keep updating and adding these applications so that you can leverage on the AI chipset you have in the systems you are buying from Huawei. In addition, of course, we continue to invest in the scenario-based solutions. It is very good to have the best technology, but you need to understand the customer business in oil and gas, in banking, in transportation, in aviation, in electricity, utilities. You need to understand the customer challenges, objectives, and you need to work with the customer to build industry vertical scenario that will help them achieve their objectives. And this is what we are showing in GITEX this year. So we are showing the latest technology, and we are also sharing the latest vertical solutions from digital oil field to digital banking, smart grid, digital utilities, smart education solution, smart city. We are bringing for the first time 3D modeling of the smart city, which is real time. So while you are sitting or the decision maker is sitting in his room in front of his screen, he can see the entire city or part of the city. He can dig into there. He will see the physical actual building on real time. He can see a metro station or a bus station or a traffic situation. And of course, the system is smart enough to fix any challenge of this kind. So if you have a traffic in a certain area, then the system can move the traffic from one area to another and so on. So vertical solutions, latest technology is what we are bringing to GITEX this year, especially if you are talking about cloud, talking about digital energy and sustainability, and talking about 5.5G for the operators and different industries, in addition to the enterprise business solutions as well. So as I said, moving forward, it's about the industry scenario-based solutions. So technology now is there. That was not there 2-3 years back. So AI, of course, is like 30-40 years old, but the technology from a processing point of view was not there. It started to come to practice only in 2011, right? So statistical computing came to reality only 2011, and that's why we started to see more applications of AI. Now the game is about data, collecting the data for different customers' business and create intelligence out of this data to take intelligent business decision to the advantage or to the value of the business, and this will continue. So data is the oil of the future. It is the wealth of every organization. Having the intelligence to create knowledge from this data is what is going to make the competitive advantage for every single organization, and this is the trend. The other trend is like what we talked yesterday. All these solutions and technology can bring very good life for the citizens, so it will be safer. You will have good drugs and good solutions for health sooner than the normal practice. You will have very good remote health systems. You will have very good agriculture products, good quality, big quantities. Technology can help in all these areas, which should bring abundance and should give us a better life as we go.